Hello students, welcome to BioExplorer. So in this video we talk about the general structure of a seed. So basically what is seed? Basically seed is a fertilized ovule. Fertilized ovule. Normally a seed consists of a seed coat, an outer cover and inner cover. So a seed is consists of an outer cover or outer layer or layer and an inner layer. The outer layer or outer cover is called the seed coat. Seed coat, which consists of testa, the outer covering, and tegmen. In some seeds, the tegmen part is absent. For example, in case of pea, the tegmen part is absent. The testa part is present overall in most of the seeds, and the inner layer is called the kernel. The kernel consists of embryo, endosperm, and sometimes it contains perisperm. Both endosperm and perisperm both endosperm and perisperm are act as a food reservoir of the seed. So food reservoir of the seed, endosperm and perisperm. Next, the embryo consists of cotyledon, cotyledon and tigellum. Tigellum. The cotyledon are the first leaf of the plant. Are the first leaf. In case of poaceae, the cotyledon is in case of poaceae, the number of cotyledon is 1, but in case of gram seed, that is in case of dicotyledonous plant or dicotyledonous seed, the number of cotyledon is 2. Next is tigellum. So what is tigellum? Tigellum is the axis of a seed. This tigellum consists of plumule, radicle, epicotyle and hypocotyle. Hypocotyle. plumule is the first stem. So stem is produced from the plumule part. So first stem, and from the radical root is produced. Epicotyle is the portion. Epicotyle is the portion present above the cotyledon, and hypocotyle is a portion present below the cotyledon. So this is the full general structure or overall the structure of the seed. In this slide, we discuss the various parts of the dicotyledonous seed. So this is a dicotyledonous seed like gram or bean seed. Gram or bean seed. So this is the outer covering, which was called seed coat, containing an outer protective layer called testa and an inner layer called tegmen. So this layer is called the testa and this layer is called tegmen. At the end of the testa, a small scar is present, which is called hilum. Near the hilum, a small opening is present, which is called micropyle, through which water enters. So, water enters. So, from the micropyle pilar end, water enters the seed. These two are the cotyledon. This is the cotyledon is the first leaf of the seed. And this is the plumule. This is the plumule. Is the first stem. This is the radical. From the radical, roots are produced. The epicotyle is the portion axis above the cotyledon, and below the cotyledon is called the hypocotyle. So this is the full overview of a dicotyledonous seed. Now the monocotyledonous seed. So this is the seed of maize. So here endosperm is present. This is the alluron layer. This is the plumule where first stem is appeared from the plumule, and radical from the radical first root is produced. The main difference between the monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous seed is the protective layer of the plumule and radical, which was known as coleorhiza. So coleorhiza is present mainly in the monocotyledonous seed. Monocotyledonous seed. So this is the full video of the dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous seed, parts of the dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous seed. So for more video like this, kindly subscribe my channel and follow the bell icon or click the bell icon for quick notification. So thank you.